been working hard on getting full analytics into Discord and NFT servers, and we finally figured it out. I want to show you all the work that we've done. I think this is super cool, and I think this can add a ton of value to you, to any Discord server, Discord community, NFT project, Web3 project that is on Discord. This is live data from an actual NFT project that we're betaing with. And just to give you some background, it's kind of a financial themed Discord server. So looking at long in crypto, short in crypto, looking at NFT projects, looking at the markets, looking at options trading, look at technical support and stocks. So it kind of gives you the gist. So because of that, there's not a lot of huge swings. It's a pretty chill Discord, right? So 15% over the last 10 to 14 days of the messages have been positive, looking at 8% negative, but most of them we're viewing as neutral, and the AI is looking at them as neutral. Here's the sentiment in the trend of how many messages are being kind of talked through in a day. We see on the weekend that the volume goes way low. We also see that yesterday on this Thursday, the volume spiked, and we can actually find out why by looking at trending keywords and phrases. So if we come down here, we can see that these are the trending keywords and phrases that have been said. Now let's use this Ben as an example. So again, red is negative, blue is positive, right? And everything else is kind of neutral. So let's pretend that we don't know that Ben is a token, it's a coin. We don't know that. It could be a person in our Discord that's maybe getting beat up. Maybe there's a new NFT project that's coming out. We don't know what that is, but why are people negative about it? So the one thing we can do is we can show all the interactions, right, to kind of drill down and find out what is going on with this keyword, right? So let's look at this guy and see what is pulled up. All right, so this guy goes, kind of on a kind of a little bit of a rant on what Ben is and maybe why he's negative about it, right? So this gives us some really good insights. Let's see if we can maybe pull one more. Let's look at this one right here. Yeah, and then we can see here that it's somebody that's not very happy about it. So it gives us, again, insights into why people are saying things. And again, if you're not sure about what something is, you can drill down and kind of look deeper into what is actually being said and what the kind of the gist of it is. But that's just where we start. The next deal is we create categories for every single community. So this is it's focused more on the financial aspect of kind of the Web3 world, right? So we have created categories using AI, using the actual Discord, what people are saying, using ChatGPT to create categories, right? So community and socials is that's just kind of the throw it all. But then looking at people talking about NFTs, talking about crypto, talking about options trading, technical support, and if we want to look at cryptocurrency, we can click on it. We can include that. And now these are all the words and the phrases that people were talking about. And it's funny that it's negative when it came to crypto, right? So again, we can drill down into what they're actually saying. We can also do this when it comes to community members, right? So if we look at this is the top 10 people who have been talking in the Discord, right? And let's say we want to look at Smox Beats 0614, which is him or her, right? We can click on that. And when we do that, all of the trending keywords and phrases that this community member has said are going to pop up. So every single community member we're looking at as well, we can filter it from the whole everybody talking down to specific categories, and then actually down to specific things that each community member is saying as well, right? So pretty cool from that aspect. Anything that's being said in your Discord, we're tracking it, we're monitoring it, and we're making sure that if anything is being said, and he was really talking a lot on the 18th as well, right? We're going to be able to be there for it. But that's just not where it ends. The other piece of this is looking at again, there's about 67,000, this month interactions or people talking in that Discord that have gone back and forth. I should say messages. We can look at the volume of the day of the week, right? So again, we saw Friday and Saturday and Sunday had the least amount of traffic, and we're seeing that. But then also looking at the volume per hour, right? So at about 4 o'clock, on average, now we can do this by the day of the week as well. that's when most people are engaged and you have the most people talking in your Discord. So if you want to make an announcement, if something wants to go out, though, that's a really good time to do it, because you're going to get the most amount of people, in there. Again, these are all different reporting aspects that we can pull up here. I don't have time to do it now, but if you want to take a demo, we can kind of take you through all that stuff. The last piece that I want to show you is our full CRM. So let's pretend these are all community members that are talking and have just been talking. Let's say we have somebody that's just kind of being a real pain in the rear. We're having our live monitors have some issues with them. So I'm sorry, Dice God. I'm sure you're fine, but good person, but we're going to use you as an example. We click on the detail here. We can see now he's kind of relatively new. All right, for the last couple days, he's only been in here a couple times. So he's been talking, what he's been saying. Is he an influencer? He is verified. He's an alpha holder. So we're pulling all that right from Discord. If he was an influencer, we could click on him, which gives some added things that we can do with this person. Let's say that he is causing issues, right? And we could type in that, right? Could be an issue in the future, right? We can type anything that we want right in these notes section and save it. So then moving forward, right, any moderator will know, hey, well, this person could be an issue. So we start to build these full profiles on your community as well. So again, this doesn't even get into the part where we're doing full moderation with live listening bots that are housed on Azure into every single different channel within your server. So nothing negative can be said. There could be no FUD. We're actually looking at Facebook and Twitter and being the full guardian of your actual program. I think that this is the biggest kind of value add, though, is looking at the real analytics. I think it's really exciting to see that all the work that we have done with this, and hopefully how we can add some value to you as well. Please check us out, expiviadigital.com. I think that you'll be very interested and love to be able to talk to help any of the NFT or Discord communities.